Hi all, welcome to Terracotta Planet. Let's see how to paint this simple yet beautiful set. I have 5 terracotta set ready to be painted. You can see that the terracotta set is already black in color. Yet to get the uniform base, I am using black paint for the base. I'm using a slightly larger brush to brush the base coat so that we can cover the large area sooner. Repeating the same for the earring too. Once the base coat is done and dried, I'm using an olive green color to cover the most of the areas in the main pendant. I'm using a brush size 0 as this area contains small round details. Using a smaller brush will help you paint in the small details. Patience is a key for a neat painting. You can use 000 brush as that will give you much more precise control when you are painting tiny details. I'm using the same green for the tubular bead. Moving on to the other part of the pendant, I'm using a crimson red. Make sure you're not painting the beads as we will paint it with a different color later. Painting the top bead with the same red. Now I'm using a gold paint to cover all the border. You can use a brush number 000 to paint those small areas. Painting the tiny beads using the same gold color. You might need to give one other coat for the gold as the pigmentation is slightly less. Once the first layer of a paint is dried completely, you can go for the second coat. 2 layers of painting will give you a good color payoff. The whole pendant is painted. Hope you like this video. If you found this video useful, kindly like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.